Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula Hair, and today I'm reviewing this 13x4 Jerry curly unit from them. And this unit is a very full unit, so I decided, just to pull some of the hair away from my face so that I'm not just like being swallowed up by this unit. I decided to do a half up, half down, and I haven't done one in so long, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to do so on this beautiful curly unit. And I also did a slight play on the soft baby hair kind of vibe, and I'm really liking how it turned out. I think it's gonna get better with time. With time, it'll get better. It's, it's decent right now, but the more I like play around with it, the better I'll get.
I just always feel like there is something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl. Hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that slash on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. Cause we got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. You got you the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's on his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy don't lost his mind.
I really like how I did this half up, half down, because I did wrap like some hair around the ponytail, which helps like give the ponytail a little bit of height. And then, like I said, yeah, I did do the softer like baby hairs, so like, my baby hairs can like move around. They're not like stuck to my head and like stiff or anything. So like if I take like my brush, you see I can like brush them, and they just kind of do, you know, what you want them to do. You can just like brush them however you want to. Same thing on this side, you know. You know, this part right here can be moved, which I really do like about it. I like that it's not just like stiff, and it gives it more of like a natural vibe when it's like this. Just a beautiful unit. But the thing about it is, when it comes to this type of texture, it definitely is going to be more so on the high maintenance side. So I would say definitely make sure that you are keeping this hair moisturized. Wear a silk bonnet, and that's just gonna keep like all your curls intact. And you know, also making sure that you keep the ends moisturized, because that's typically where you're gonna have majority of your problem. And also just making sure that you are detangling the hair. Detangling is so important when it comes to this type of curl pattern, because a lot of times your hair will start to like tangle up in the back, you know, it'll start matting up on you, and you don't want that. Okay, because curly hair does require maintenance. I know a lot of us, we just, you know, throw them on and we just want to put water on them and just go out the door. But it's a lot more to it than that. You know, you can't just throw water on your hair and just be done with it. You know, you actually have to take care of your hair. So that's that. But all in all, I really do like this unit. I want to say this is a 24-inch unit. This is a Brazilian Jerry curly unit. And as far as the density for this one, I would say it's possibly 150 to 180% density. But this unit, you guys, is very, very full. Okay, very full. Like even right now, you can't see how full it is because I do have like some of the hair pulled to the back. But that's why I did that, because when I first put the unit on, you guys saw like what it was giving. It was giving a lot. It was giving a lot, and I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't overwhelming me, because you know, curly units can definitely do that to you. Let me turn to the side and the back so y'all can see what she is giving. So this is what the unit looks like from this side with all of it to the back. Like I said, a very full unit, super full. Love the curls, and I don't have any product on this hair. So if you guys are wondering like, what product do you have on those curls? Girl, nothing at all. This is the back. Now, as far as the construction on this unit does have adjustable straps in the back. It also has the adjustable elastic band that hooks in and out, so you can have more of a secure fit, and it works for all head sizes because it is adjustable, which I like, because I've been getting some units that have the elastic band in it, but it's just the elastic band, and it's just like, girl, like everybody's head size is not the same, so we need to have an adjustment on that. But I like the fact that this one does have that on there, and it is a 13x4 lace front unit, so you definitely get a lot of options as far as styling goes. But I will say the tracks in this unit come up like really close, so you can't do any deep side parting or anything like that. The tracks actually start, let me come up a little closer so I can show y'all where the tracks start at. Like literally right there. So yeah, you don't get a lot of space on this side whatsoever, but because the hair is so full, you can't even tell. I hate this line, like right here. Other than that, like look at my baby hairs. Everything just looks so good, except for that stupid line right there. But everything else just like, it look good. I love it, I love it, love it, love it. So shout out to Nadula for sending over this unit. If any of you guys are interested, make sure you check out the description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details of this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.